morning everyone from beautiful Riley in Thailand. So if you watched our last video, you'll know that we're staying on a beach called Tonsai, which is over there. We just walked over here. It's a quick walk, like 6-7 minutes. And we come to Riley because we're going to be doing a boat tour today to a set of islands called Hong Islands. We're doing a private tour and we're doing it with the delightful travelers that we met in the last video, Anna and Trevor. And it's $220 overall, and that's for a private tour, just for the 4 of us, so that's pretty good. So we're just making a quick stop in the village of Riley first, because our tour doesn't include food. So we just got some wraps here, a beef wrap and a tuna wrap for $2.50 overall. Here come the delightful travelers. Is that your snacks?
We got some sandwiches. Snacks, just in case. Sandwiches,
okay. Yeah, we're just getting some wraps here.
Yeah, this place is good. We've had coffee from here before.
Oh, you have?
It's really good, but we haven't had the food.
Oh, hopefully the food's good too.
It always seems busy, so I feel like that's a good sign.
Yeah, I think so.
What do you think? Is the weather gonna hold up for us?
I mean, it's better than I thought.
Yeah. Blue sky.
Yeah.
Rain or shine, we're going.
Hopefully it stays like that.
Hello.
Hello. Arrived on Hong Island, this big island here. We had to pay $300 per person to enter the island, and that was the speedboat that we came on. So it only took 30 minutes to get here. How long would it take if we came in a normal boat?
Probably double the time.
Yeah, I think even more.
Yeah, even more. But yeah, we didn't see much. I mean, the ride was nice, but there weren't many islands around, so it was just kind of boring. So I'm glad we did with the speedboat.
Yeah, it wasn't very scenic. So I thought that Hong Island was a group of different islands, but I think it's just this one island here, and we're going to be stopping at multiple points on this island. So this is stop number 1. Man, those boats are super noisy though. Noisiest boats ever. Just constant noise. So the beach area is really cool. Unfortunately, it's super cloudy right now, so it's not looking as nice as it could. So there's like a beach over there, and then there's this rock kind of island. Kind of divides into 2 beaches, a twin beach. But on this side, it's super calm.
Yeah, it looks so beautiful, even though it's cloudy, but it looks amazing.
Yeah, nice and peaceful. I think this tour is less visited, the Hong Island one, so it's really not that crowded right now, even in peak season. So the water is nice and cool here. A lot of people snorkeling in this area. Do we have snorkels on our tour? No? we basically didn't ask anything about the tour, right?
No, but I think maybe you can rent from here somewhere.
If we're in the mood.
Yeah, I'm not sure if we're gonna do it.
Nah, I think I'm just gonna be lazy today. No swimming around. Loads of fish here already, look at this. Whoa. You don't need the snorkel, Carol. What's going on here? They're all attracted to me. I wonder if it's my blue shorts.
But they're coming at me too.
Oh yeah?
It's crazy.
Oh, that's really cool.
Maybe they want some food.
Yeah, I don't know. You guys have been to Halong Bay, right?
Yeah.
It doesn't remind you a bit of that?
It does a lot.
This does, for sure, it reminds us of Halong Bay. But we didn't go to a beach in Halong Bay. So that's the one thing we can't compare anything to.
Yeah.
Right? But it looks like Halong Bay mixed with like El Nido.
But the color of the water is like more emerald-like.
Yeah.
Like Halong Bay.
Yeah, because in El Nido it's more like super turquoise.
Yeah, that Philippines turquoise. But this is unique for here.
Yeah, it's really cool.
Can't beat this.
Yeah.
So we're gonna do the viewpoint trail now. This one right here says that it's the only one in Andaman, Thailand. Cow just read that it's supposed to be 30 to 45 minutes. Didn't realize that. I think it really is. Oh yeah, take about 45 minutes. There are some little beach shacks there as well where you can buy yeah, like some juices. I think there is a restaurant too. So we brought our own food, but I don't think we had to. Could have eaten at the restaurant. Yeah, this pathway is no joke. Steps after steps. Already got a nice view deck here. Yeah, so look at all the islands scattered around. Don't think there's any beaches on those though, it's just rock coming out. Our beach is down there somewhere, isn't it?
We cannot see it.
Yeah. We've already come really high though. Oh, is this it already, Carol?
Really?
How did they say it would take 45 minutes? I think that took us what?
10 minutes.
10 minutes?
Oh my god, I'm so healthy. I'm feeling so healthy right now.
Yeah, we're hardcore. Yeah, so this is the highest point right here. You can see the beach now. You can actually see our beach towel over there. Yeah, I think this is pretty much the highest point on this island. We're about the same height as that one over there. Loads of signs around here though. Koh Kwang Beach, Tukak Beach, and that's those beaches over there. I think that's the mainland, this part here, and I think back there is the Phi Phi Islands. Can't really see that well, and that's the 4 islands. So you can do island hopping tours to those, or back there. You can go and stay there as well. We might do that. At our second stop now on the same island, I think. This is the same island, isn't it?
Same island, but the back side. But we're about to go, it looks like we're just going to go through these cliffs.
Yeah, there's supposed to be some sort of lagoon between there. We're going on the boat though. Just got to go nice and slow. Look at that beach there though.
Totally deserted beach, no one on it.
Not a single person. So this is a nice surprise. You're allowed to walk in the lagoon. I thought the boat was just coming in. Gotta walk slowly though, loads of rocks. It's really cool, isn't it?
Yeah, and I'm very impressed that it is so empty.
Yeah, me too. So I think it's mainly like this because the majority of people just do the other tours to like Phi Phi Islands, the 4 islands. And that's because over there you get like the ultra turquoise water, kind of like Philippines level. So people go for the most beautiful, but then yeah, you're gonna have more people around. Whereas here it's just nice and quiet. So if you want to do a quiet tour, the Hong Island tours seem like the good option. Glad that we came. So there's even another beach over there. It's kind of like a beach mangrove area overall. All these mangroves. I think you can only come in when it's high tide, or the boats won't be able to come in over there. Alright, so this is our next stop. We asked the guy the name and he said it's called Small Island. I don't know if that's the official name, but we just asked to stop on this one. Just a tiny little sandbank here. So I think the majority of the boats go on that one over there called Ko Pakpia. Pretty cool though, right?
Oh man, this is awesome. It's like not every day you just get off a private speedboat and land on a private beach with limestone cliffs behind you.
Yeah.
Come on.
Yeah, I don't think other tours really come on this beach.
There's no one here, and there's like a little path under this rock, I think.
A path.
We can maybe walk under it. So.
Yeah, we'll check it out. Yeah, so Trevor was right. We just walked through the little tunnel that we could see at the end of the beach. And check out this beach here. Another separate beach. This one probably looks even nicer.
Yeah. It's like the watercolor is a little more green. There's some footprints around, so clearly people come here, but I don't think very often.
Yeah,
great.
Somebody else has been here. It's a shame about the weather though. I'd really love to see how this would look on a nice sunny day. Right now the clouds are quite thick, so yeah, it is getting very dark. But on the other days we're going to do some other tours, and yeah, I'm sure it'll be super beautiful. Still loving it either way. So this is the final stop of the tour. We asked to come to this one. It's called Ko Lao Lading. And yeah, it looks like the most beautiful so far. Definitely the nicest water. And yeah, you get this awesome view of other little islands here.
I think this is the best part of the tour so far.
Yeah, that's what I was just saying. It's the most beautiful. Yeah, so this place was actually Anna's idea.
I discovered it. I just saw a picture online. It kind of looked at the picture like it looked at the last place, like there were like an opening, but we realized it's a different spot. Yeah. And I'm so glad we came.
Yeah, this is way nicer. It's the nicest water we've seen.
And we're by ourselves, which is really nice too.
Yeah, you should check out the caves there.
Yeah.
There's some cool caves.
Does it go in far?
That one does on the left a little bit, to the left.
No penises inside?
No, not like, what was it, Riley? Yeah, this is the ultimate chill spot.
Yeah, wow, I'm glad Anna found out about this place, and yeah, now we're here.
So even in the water, there's kind of like a bunch of little caves too. I bet those rock climbers around Tonsai and Riley would have a good time climbing up here. I didn't think we'd see water like this in this area though. I thought it'd only be around like Ko Pipi. Even with zero sun, looks beautiful. What is it?
A big fish actually, not just the small ones, but there are some like this.
Yeah, there's some there.
Yeah.
I only just realized you can see the entire island now from this angle in front of us. It's them ones again, isn't it?
Yeah.
I think people must feed them for them to come around us like this. We don't usually get swarmed so much. So many, whoa. What, you just throw the leaf?
Yeah, I'll throw the leaf and they will think it's food.
Oh yeah. Yeah, people definitely feed them. So we're back from the trip now on Riley Beach. It's actually quite different here. Never seen it this busy before. Got a little football game going on here. Must be the World Cup spirit. And we're gonna catch another beautiful sunset here, it seems. But unfortunately, it's the last day for these guys.
Yeah,
I know.
I can't believe it. That went so fast.
So fast. How is it our last day in Thailand? We leave after this to another country. I guess we can say where we're going.
Yeah, you can say it.
Yeah. We're gonna go to Vietnam. We've been before, about 5 months ago. We didn't get to the south. So.
Yeah. So, and I think your video will come out before ours. So anybody that's watching,
Yeah.
spoiler alert. But the thing is, we're probably going to come back to Thailand afterwards. We kind of ran out of our 45 days, so we have to go and then come back.
There's a good chance.
Is a good chance.
Yeah.
But this has been amazing. But the best part, you guys.
Yeah.
Finally, the gang's back together.
Yeah, and hopefully we're able to meet again, not spend like 2 years apart like this time.
No, we have to make it a point at this time to, because we have to meet again in 2023.
2023. All the places that we like to go, they usually like to go to, like beach places.
Yeah.
Like,
so we're already trying to figure something out for next year where we can all go. By that I mean 2023, not like 20.
Yeah. So maybe you'll see more of these guys next year.
Yeah, I think so.
It was awesome hanging out again.
Make sure to watch their videos too. They have a lot of videos from Thailand and on other countries too.
Yeah.
Delightful travelers.
Delightful travelers. Wow.
Yeah, that's the sunset that we wanted to see.
Yeah, that's one of the best sunsets we've seen in a long time. So we're just gonna walk back to Tonsai where we're staying now. In case you're wondering where my parents are, the problem is that my mum still has food poisoning, so she's not able to do anything, and my dad's been staying with her. But we did just message them and tell them to get to the beach to look at that. At least. But yeah, hopefully she's gonna be better over the next few days and my parents will be back in the video. So that's what's been going on. Another awesome day here from Thailand. If you like this one, just drop a like as usual to support us. Subscribe to see more. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and we'll see you in the next.